Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to PEPE update today. So 6 more days to close the private. Check the top right to see what the private is all about and how you can join. And if you want to be a part of Discord, comment Discord, and I'm going to give you a free invitation link for the next 24 hours. Now, back into PEPE, we have seen that it is getting some few rejection, and I'm afraid of a particular scenario still, but the thing is that yes, Pepe has been quite good. Moving to the upside is pretty sweet, but I'm going to tell you the things that you have to check and the things that you have to be very careful about. Now, number one, out of the box is that we have this channel going on, so that that is planted, and at the moment, it seems as if you want to really touch the top of the channel, and then from there we may say what our potential direction is going to be in the future. If you touch the upper channel, you may be rejected and go down, or just a break above it and then go to the upside. So that's something that is pretty clear. Now, one thing that is not good is that yesterday's closing was a little bit bad, because these two candles are not negative. They're sorry, not positive, they're negative. And by negative, I mean they are bearish candles, which means that from here, this point onwards, we may start to see our prices trying to go to the downside. So that's one problem that I do see. Now today, maybe perhaps today we might see Pepe coming down again to 8811. Now that's not a bad thing to come to 8811. Reason being is that's going to be pretty much like a retest. So I'm just going to drop in this trend line again, and you've broken out of it. So what I can actually say or expect is that someone has their stop loss down here, and I'm pretty sure they're going to take that stop loss. And I think the better stop loss is really down to 8097. And if Pepe does come down to 8097, game over. So for me personally, we're still in a good position due to this pattern that you just broke out of. You can see that you broke out of the pattern. It's almost like ascending triangle, which is actually a very positive pattern. So you just broke out. That's also a very good thing. Some few retests, take some stop losses. That's also very positive. But as soon as you go down and you take 8097, then you basically make this fake out, right? So you have that resistance, you broke out, couldn't hold the retest and test it as support, and then you go inside and then you go all the way down to even 8097, then the whole pattern just gets destroyed, right? Unless you don't just go back up again and try to break out again. So that's it for this update on Pepe, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.